Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today I bring to you my Pandora haul from the Pandora bracelet event that we currently have going on in the United States. Now the event doesn't get open to the public until the 9th, but if you're a Pandora card holder, which I am, you got early access. So starting today through the 5th, I believe. I'll have to double check. I'll memo it at the bottom of the screen so that you know if you're a card holder what those dates are. Hopefully I'll post this video soon so that it's still going on. But the deal with this event is spend $100 and get a free bracelet up to $65. The awesome thing about it is you can upgrade. So if you have a bracelet that you don't want just the regular $65 bracelet, and let's say it's $80, all you pay is that $15 difference. So super good deal that again you can't pass up. It is limit 3, so I did take advantage of the sale and got 3 free bracelets, which I will reveal in the unboxing. I will showcase the charms on this open bangle. It's one I already have, not part of the sale, but figured it's a nice way to showcase each of these charms. So my first selection that I got was the studded lights in the light teal CZ. These are so beautiful. They remind me of the whimsical lights that Pandora used to have, except there's a little bit more detail around the CZs. I thought I was going to be getting the scuba blue crystals to go with my spiritual dream catcher, but when I had them in store and was checking them out, I didn't love them, and so I decided to try these ones, and this is going to be the perfect matching to that charm. So I ended up getting 2 of these studded teal lights, or studded lights. I absolutely love how they sparkle. So the next charm I got was the Suitcase charm. I feel like this has been a charm that's been missing from my travel bracelet that I've been trying to put together. And really I was waiting to see if I would ever get the I Love to Travel suitcase. Since that one's not as easy to get a hold of, I decided to get this one. So I actually don't know what the DK stands for on this. Does anybody else know? But do travel where there's palm trees, and I have been to Paris, so I felt like this was a good charm to have too. The next charm I got was the multicolor love charm. This one was not in my original plans to get, but as I continue to think about a bracelet that I'm putting together that includes my rainbow themed charms, I felt like this one was going to be super fitting for it, so decided to get this charm as well. So you may notice sometimes I wear safety chains, sometimes I don't. But I feel like I need to wear more safety chains more often, so I did pick up a spare safety chain. I really like the Daisy safety chain, so got this one as part of the promotion. And for the last item that I finally got my pink opalescent Radiant Hearts charm. Why this is taking me so long, I just don't know. It's probably because I didn't know where I would put it. I still actually don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I just love, love, love these Radiant Heart charms. You guys know I do, and I was really excited to get this one too. I love being able to see the heart cutouts inside, and I feel like it just really shows through on this specific Radiant Hearts charm. I really could just admire how this charm sparkles like all day long. all day long. I could just stare at it. I did get the Wildflower Meadow bracelet with the adorable flower clasp with the little dangly ladybug. The ladybug on this one specifically was a little bit lighter than I was expecting. It's a very light purple. It's actually looking darker in the camera than it does in real life. And this one I knew I wanted. The struggle that I have is a lot of my bracelets are already purple, and I don't know that I need more purple, but I can either repurpose one and put it on this purple or figure out something different to do with it, which could be the rainbow theme, might be what I do with it. So more to come on what's gonna happen with this. I ended up getting a second mesh bracelet. So if you've seen my previous videos, you will know that I dedicated my original silver mesh bracelet to my Pandora Charm Life theme bracelet. So I did get one more to have more flexibility with what I'm going to do with that, because I'm pretty sure I'm never going to redesign the other mesh. So this one gives me that option. And then the last bracelet I chose for the free promo is the two-toned with the Pandora Rose clasp. I am a huge fan of mixing my metals when it comes to the Pandora Rose and the silver, and I got this one to change it up from having just the snake chains to having this one to play around with. So I'm really excited with what I'm going to do with this. I'm not sure if the Pandora O crown is going to make its way to here or what it's going to be, but now I have that option. So those are the items that I got during the Pandora bracelet event. Do you have a bracelet event going on in your area? If you do, are you going to be taking advantage of it, or did you already? If so, leave me a comment below. I'd love to know which bracelets you chose. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.